Good day. We are from Group 8 and myself, Navindrash Narasimhan. And the topic we have chosen is IoT-based smart cities enhancing urban life. So our topic mainly discusses the use of cloud-based IoT in smart cities and highlights the opportunities of IoT for improving services in smart cities and for generating innovations. So let's go to the first slide. So smart city applications. Cloud applications and IoT are revolutionizing various aspects of urban life, including communication, transportation, healthcare, knowledge, and more. So these technologies are transforming how cities operate and interact with their citizens. Smart city solutions can significantly improve resource efficiency, reduce waste, enhance safety, and mitigate pollution. By leveraging data and technology, cities can optimize their operations and create more sustainable environments. As for the Snap City framework, the Snap City framework is designed to address the privacy and security concerns that are inherent in IoT systems. So this framework provides a robust solution for protecting sensitive data and ensuring the integrity of smart city applications. So as for the last one, atomic services. Atomic services are modular components that can be used to develop and deploy IoT solutions. And this modular approach offers flexibility, scalability, and reusability, making it easier to create and maintain complex smart city systems. So, in summary, this slide highlights the potential of cloud applications and IoT to transform cities into more efficient, sustainable, and livable environments by addressing privacy, security, and scalability concerns through frameworks like Snap for City and Atomic Services Cities can harness the full power of these technologies to improve the quality of their life for their citizens. As for the benefits, so basically this slide outlines the key benefits of utilizing cloud applications and IoT in smart cities. Smart city solutions can significantly improve safety, optimize resource management, and facilitate better decision making. And by leveraging data and technology, cities can enhance public safety, reduce traffic congestion, and improve the overall efficiency of urban operations. Data collection and processing. It's like gathering and analyzing data is essential for supporting urban development, and smart city technologies enable cities to collect vast amounts of data from various sources, which can be used to identify trends, optimize services, and make informed decisions. The key part is privacy and security concern. Protecting user privacy and ensuring data security is a top priority in smart city initiatives. And this by implementing robust security measures, ensuring compliance with regulations like GDPR, and providing users with control over their data are essential components of a secure and trustworthy smart city. So as for the last one, which is the flexibility and adaptability, an agile approach is crucial for enabling cities to adapt to changing needs and technologies. Smart city solutions should be flexible and adaptable to accommodate new innovations and address emerging challenges. So shortly, these slides explain the potential of cloud applications and IoT to transform cities into safer, more efficient, and sustainable environments. By addressing data privacy concern and adaptability concern, cities can harness the full power of these technologies to improve the quality of their life for their citizens.
I'm Kaleshwaran and I'm going to talk about the agile methodology for this group. So there are sprint cycles which breaking projects onto manageable interactions, stakeholder engagement involving developers, testers, city planners and users, iterative development, continually improving solution based on user feedback. The fourth one is the adaptability to change, integrating new technologies and methodologies. So as you can see, the agile methodology is particularly effective for projects like Snap for City, which is inherently very complex and requires a diverse number of resources. It also offers to segregate a gigantic project into uninspiring sprints to control shorten work cycles and increase the project team's motivation. This also helps to create a possible releasable product feature, making the work accumulative and continually enhanced. The identify iterative approach to the program's work is critical when addressing the constantly development technology and user expectation that are characteristic of smart city initiative. So the next I'm going to talk about hardware and software for this smart city. So the hardware, IoT devices and sensors, networking protocols such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular. Also use the microprocessors. As for software, open source software, cloud platforms, and data analytic tools. So, smart city and IoT solutions are based on several complex hardware and software components. The basis of this system is set of IoT devices and sensors, electrical devices, PZM 0040, ESP32 microcontroller, as well as MAX 3100 and ML 90610 sensors to actuator based on data collection and control. They are to provide inputs for the decision-making process of the smart city, and more importantly, monitor to physical world. So next, technical design prototype. So the first one is the data acquisition. Sensors capture temperature, also the SpO2 and heart rate. This one is the data processing. Microprocessor sensor data, sends it via Wi-Fi. So data visualization, online web interface displays real-time data for medical stuff. So as for the technical design and prototype, the introduced remote monitoring system for COVID-19 patients in US personnel who use IoT technology to monitor relevant physiological data in real time. The use of MLX 9614 infrared thermometer and the MAX pulse oximeter and heart rate sensor reduce the chance for spreading the virus through contactless temperature, SpO2, and heart rate monitoring. Information gathered from this sensor is captured by microprocessor, and since information from the sensor's microcontroller vary in their logic level converter is used. Such process data is sent through Wi-Fi to an on-site server, processed to enhance protected storage and availability to the medical staff via online web interface. It also enables using more secure, sorry, to be informed real-time basis of any anomalous situations, while the needs of the patients guaranteed this. It presents detailed approach that the system provide in monitoring patients as the world faces pandemic disease. Operation on steady 5-hour supply with option of battery backup. This facility constant use. Furthermore, users more two-factor authentication and the personal data patients are encrypted.
Okay, so for the next one, I will continue regarding the security and also the privacy concern. Okay, so for the security of smart cities and also for the protection of personal details of the inhabitants, measures should adopt stern and tight in this regard. All right. So one of the way is we can use encryption, so which is protecting data from unauthorized access. So such as we can use an end-to-end encryption. So this is when data are encrypted for such manner that only end users are in the position to understand it, which means to say send the message much like a letter, all right, but to a code that the recipient alone will be able to decipher, all right. So the second one, we will go for the authentication, so which is verifying user identities with strong methods such as fingerprints or face recognition while logging in, or two-factor authentication that works with two identities at once. It's like having a double lock on the door, much harder for other people who don't have any authority to get in, all right. So the third one, we will go on with the access control, so which is limiting user access to specified data and also the functions, such as ensuring that a user can only perform those operations he or she requires to complete a task, all right. So it is like providing a key to a house to someone, but he or she needs only the access to a single room in the house, all right. And the last one, we will go on with the data obfuscation, so which is concealing personal information to protect privacy. So personal data can be obscured for privacy's sake, so concealment can make it difficult to determine an individual. So this is just like editing out names and addresses from a text. Data protection is also another parameter that requires both encryption approaches and key management practices. Actually, this is like putting a data in a high security box, so which is only open using numerous turns of dial. All right. So the next one, we will continue with the future works, so which is the first one we will go for the enhanced security, so which is strengthening access control, encryption, and also the cyber security measures for the for the smart cities. All right. And the second one we will go for the scalability and also the interoperability. All right. So which is improving compatibility with other IoT systems and also the technologies. All right. And the third one, we will go for the integration of new technologies. With this, we bring a new technology inside. So for implementing blockchains, AI, and also machine learning for a better efficiency for these smart cities. All right. And the last one, we will go for the stakeholder collaboration. So which is we can cooperate with community stakeholders and governmental organizations in the context of smart city services and applications. All right. So with regard to these areas, further research should help to advance the ideas of smart cities by making them safer, more effective, and also sustainable. All right. So thank you so much, and that's all from me. Yeah.